Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're for your first time, then I want you to give me a thumb on the bell when our YouTube channel so that you become somebody that you can help my channel grow more. Today, I'm going to speak about why your YouTube channel is not growing fast. Now, one of the things that I describe and I know by myself is that the language in which you use in your YouTube channel is most very important. I'm not denying that you are using your own mother tongue language. That's very good, but that language is just only for the coverage of your country where they know more about it. But if you want to reach the whole world, then you need to change your language. So changing of your language is most very important in your YouTube channel. So when you experience that your YouTube channel or my YouTube channel is not growing, then I want you and me to recheck what sort of language are we using it. Now, when I'm speaking about the languages, whether you use English or you use what type of language so that people will know what you are trying to put across for them to understand in your content, I simply mean. So that's why I like to encourage anyone who you like to begin to start a YouTube channel. First, you need to speak in a language in which everybody know about what your content you are trying to put across in your channel. Because the message in which you want to put to the people is what's very important. Because your subscribers or your friends in the YouTube, they want to know what you are trying to put across to them. It's very, very important. So let me say again, what are the language you are using in your YouTube channel? Check it out, and then you will see your YouTube channel grow and grow and grow by using the right language in your YouTube channel. Thank you very much.